Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about AI revolution. In previously, we talked about the AI regulation, where we know about the importance of AI regulation, the lower AI action in real world, like Akaspeed, Salon AI, Vastav AI, and many of these. But in this video, we are going to discuss about the revolution in the field of artificial intelligence and technology. OpenAI new future project with Sam Altman and Johnny Ive startup IO. Sam Altman opinion about today computer chip for AI, Mark Zuckerberg big move about AI, Microsoft quantum computing chip, Gefion AI factory, and many more, which are going to participate in the field of AI revolution. Well, हम आगे बढ़ने से पहले चलिए जानते हैं कि चैटबॉट कैसे काम करता है. For example, we take ChatGPT. It's not just a chatbot; it's a giant brain made using AI. ChatGPT is built on a transformer model called as GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. GPT-3 has around 175 billion parameters. So imagine is 175 billion neurons, just like human brain, but digital. It was trained on huge amount of data from books, websites, Wikipedia, basically internet का ज्ञान. The AI learns by predicting the next word again and again. गलती होती है तो it adjusts, learning through errors, just like humans. Once it's trained, it operated to powerful servers. Now when you use ChatGPT API, you send a question, the model thinks, generates a smart answer, and send it back in seconds. That's how the AI chatbot works. The biggest takeoff of 2025 is here. Sam Altman's OpenAI has officially acquired Johnny Ive's startup IO for nearly $6.5 billion. Johnny Ive, the design genius behind your iPhone, iPad, and Mac, is now leading deep design role at OpenAI. Sam says this may be OpenAI's most impactful project yet, with plans to ship up to 100 million units and potential to add 1 trillion value to the company. So imagine a sleek AI device you don't wear or swipe, but it just understands by listens and adjusts to you. The expectation of launch should be end of 2026, and the designing part progress under his studio law from Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Meta, now focus on personal super intelligence that learns and improves itself. He built Meta Super Intelligence Labs, where he hires top AI engineers with huge pay offers, some even worth of nine-figure signing bonuses. They invest 14 billion to scale AI with Alexander Wang as founder, who lead as chief AI officer. Mark recently talking about an AI model called as Behemoth, which is much powerful than Llama पर. But rollout में थोड़ा delay हुआ due to research challenges. Meta spending tens of billions of data centers and infrastructures in 2025, जो कि models को train कर सके at super human scale. The philosophy of Mark about AI is AI should be personal, not centralized, and it should be empower individuals, built with safety and responsibility in mind. Let's talk about Microsoft Majorana 1 quantum chip. This is completely futuristic. This is going to be insane. Microsoft announced world first topological core chip. This one built by using a material called as superconductor with indium arsenide and aluminum hybrid. Currently, this chip contains only 8 qubits, but in future, it scale up to 1 million qubits. All in a chipset that fits in your palm. So the benefits of topological qubits, they are completely error resistant, less affected by the environmental noise, which make the computing robust. Microsoft ने breakthrough announced किया after 17 to 20 years of research in its station Q Labs. This marks a shift from pure science to scalable quantum innovation. If everything goes smoothly, then Microsoft expects to build fault-tolerant quantum chip computers in years. Let's summarize it. If it goes over your mind, Microsoft ने create किया Majorana 1, एक revolutionary quantum chip powered by topological qubits. अब बारी है अगले 5-10 सालों में move from lab prototype to real world quantum machines. I told you, this is completely insane. Denmark launched their first AI supercomputer Gefion, inspired by a Norse goddess built to power research and innovation. Gefion built on NVIDIA's DGX supercore with 1528 NVIDIA H100 Tensor Core GPU and 382 Intel Xeon processor connected using Quantum to InfiniBand network. It's owned by DCAI, Danish Center for AI Innovation, funded by Novo Nordisk Foundation and Denmark's Export and Investment Fund, and symbolically turned on by King Frederick and NVIDIA CEO. What's cool about Gefion? It's built to solve big global problems. Drug discovery, climate change, quantum simulation. Drugs and Novo Nordisk is using it now to speed up their medicine research. And startups like Devin AI are running chemistry simulation in quantum circuit models using Gefion to simulate future quantum computers today. It's ranked 21st on the world top 500 supercomputer list, and the data center runs entirely on renewable energy. So in short, Gefion is Denmark's AI powerhouse, a factory of intelligence ready to transform science, health, and climate research, powered by GPUs and sustainable energy. Let's talk about Devin AI, the autonomous software engineer bot created by Cognition AI, launched in early 2024. Devin AI was built by a team IOI gold medalist programmers led by CEO Scott Hume. Cognition secured 175 million investment valuing it at 2 billion and later in 2025 reached a 4 billion valuation. So what can Devin do? It can plan, code, debug, test and deploy software by itself by using tools like a cell coordinator and browser in its sandbox environment. It integrates with Slack, Linear, GitHub, and reports. It can fix bugs or even build websites on the SWE bench coding benchmark, Devin solved 13.86% of real GitHub issues compared to 1.96% for earlier models. But it's not perfect. Independent testing showed Devin completed only 3 out of 20 coding tasks, struggling with complex logic and taking longer than expected. Still, Devin 2.0 dropped in April 2025, adding auto-generated documentation here with built-in Devin Wiki, better collaboration with human coders, and more affordable pricing starting at $20 per month. Tesla and Samsung have signed a massive $6.5 billion deal to produce Tesla's next-gen AI-6 chips at a brand new Samsung factory in Taylor, Texas. These AI-6 are designed to power Tesla's autonomous driving Optimus humanoid robots in Dojo AI centers. Basically everything super smart Tesla builds now and in future. Elon Musk even said Samsung's new Texas fab will be dedicated to Tesla's AI-6 chip. I will personally walk to the production line to accelerate the progress because it's just located near his house. This is a big win for Samsung too. Their Deloitte plant was struggling without major clients, but now it secures real business and future credibility in AI chip manufacturing, especially under pressure to compete with rivals like TSMC. The deal spans 2025 to 2033. While the base value is 16.5 billion, Musk hinted the total value could be much bigger. China has launched 10 gigabit broadband in Xiong'an, built jointly by UAE and China Unicom. Real test shows the download speed up to 9834 Mbps, upload around 1008 Mbps, and latency as low as 3 milliseconds. A next generation fiber system that pushes huge data rates over existing fiber cables. Imagine this, downloading a 20 GB 4K movie takes under 20 seconds compared to 7 to 10 minutes on normal 1 Gbps. Why 10G matters? It enables live 8K streaming, cool gaming, VR AR, smart city sensors, remote surgeries, real-time AI model training, and more without any lag. China is starting in Xiong'an, but this is just a pilot. They are planning to roll it out to 168 cities nationwide, making it a foundation for future smart tech and AI infrastructures. China's 10G time faster than current broadband. The latency is near zero. It's ready for the world of VR, AI, smart cities, and more. Let's talk about some crazy AI too. Lovable AI from Sweden. The AI builds app just by chatting in normal English. Describe your idea and Lovable creates both front-end and back-end code instantly. Authentication, database, UI, all in minutes. It's backed by GPT-4 and LLMs and lets anyone build without coding skills. Lovable is growing too fast. They hit 100 million ARR in just 8 months. Now valued at 1.8 billion and serve over 2.3 million users globally, making over 750,000 projects in June alone. Now Firebase Studio, Google's AI-powered cloud IDE. It comes with templates for Flutter, React, Angular, and more, all optimized for Gemini AI. Just pick a template, and Gemini helps plan and code your app automatically. It also lets you integrate Firebase services, authentication, Firestore, ML, hosting, just by telling Gemini what you want. It imports libraries, updates, code, configures backend automatically. Lovable is like your AI full stack engineer. Firebase Studio is your AI powered cloud workplace. Together they let anyone from entrepreneur to designer to beginner build real deployable app fast. Imagine, you say create a e-commerce app. Lovable builds code. Then you launch it with Google Firebase Studios, backend and deployment all without manual programming. So that's all about AI revolution. Sorry for the delay. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.